Welcome to 7 Days of English. Today you'll learn 7 useful phrases to use in class or in an online course. Let's go. Can you repeat that, please? Repeat. Can you repeat that, please? I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. What does that mean? Repeat. What does that mean? How do you say this in English? Repeat. How do you say this in English? I need more time, please. Repeat. I need more time, please. I finished the exercise. Repeat. I finished the exercise. I have a question. Repeat. I have a question. Now repeat the phrases again, as many times as you need, until they feel natural. What other English phrase do you want to learn for class? Tell me in the comments, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more real English.